Oakwood equipment, and we've had a couple of people with some issues on the machine where the drill returns down but does not shut off. And so I want to show you what's your 99.4% probable cause on that, how you can fix it shortly, and how you can fix it permanently. This drill block, when the motor comes down, there is a button right here that gets depressed, and what that does is that tells it at the bottom of the stroke to shut the air off to the drill. And what we found is, and this one I've got taken apart so you can see it and kind of exaggerate it, is what happens is this area in there gets full of sawdust, and as it comes back down, it doesn't contact the button right there, and that's why the motor stays on. So naturally, the first thing to do is run the motor up and blow that out real quick to get that sawdust out of there. The other fix is the exit air port on the motor right here has a collar on it. This collar rotates, and so is what we can do on my machine here in my shop. This was in this position here, so the exit air port was blowing out. As you can see on this one here, the exit air port is not visible. It's actually underneath and blowing into that area. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to grab a 5mm Allen wrench and loosen this bolt right here, and you can just rotate the motor in the housing until this port right here blows towards those. And every time that this cycles up and down and the drill motor runs, it will blow that area out and keep it clean. So that's our simple, easy fix for that. If you have that problem, first one is just blow it out. Second one is rotate the motor and make it work, and you'll never have that problem again. So I have that full of sawdust in there. We're gonna cycle this one up and we'll see what happens. And now it's been blown clean. Every time that it runs that cycle, it will blow and clean that area.